I employ fantasy and B-grade horror film tropes to navigate complexities of being severed from ancestral knowledges. Kia ora, my name is Ilish Thomas. This is my work, The Crystal Palace at Te Tuhi. Welcome to the portal. This work traverses the periphery of the Crystal Palace Theatre in Maungawhau. It was a project that I explored with my family when I discovered my grandfather fell into ownership of the theatre. It has fallen into disrepair. It follows the story of a chudel ghost. She's a figure in Gujarati or just South Asian folklore, often a femme kind of ghost that comes back to haunt people who have scorned her or treated her ill in the physical realm. It's often a cautionary tale to treat lowly women or lower caste women or women in general well. And I use this ghost to cross borders. Ghosts can go through walls. It's a Super 8 film. I also animated over it the ghost, the chudel. She travels through from the garden to inside, which is a place that I haven't been able to access due to family barriers and disconnect. This textile mimics the scale of the cinema. It curves in a spiral. I screen printed it with the poster box print from the cinema, which is this beautiful filigree that's permanently empty. And I hand dyed the fabric with clay. The fabric is scrim, which is used in theatre productions. If you backlight it, it can create opacity, or if you frontlight it, it creates a transparency that's often used for creating illusions on stage. I wanted to recreate a space that I could navigate and other people could access, and also mimic my interaction with the theatre.